Hey guys, this is Eric at Rebel 42 Golf Carts and Power Sports. And today I'm going to show you a few of the different types of light kits you can get for your golf carts. We're going to start here on the Green Valor. It has your standard halogen headlights. As you can see, they put off a little bit of a dull yellowish kind of glow. Then we're going to step over here to the S4, which has the LED headlight kit. You can see it's a much brighter white light, and it sheds a lot more light into the pathway you're traveling on. Now I'm going to show you a couple more different carts with different light kits in them. As you see here, we have a RXV that has LED headlights. Puts off the same amount of white glow, but it's just in a different style. Then we're going to slide over here to this TXT that has halogen headlights as well. Now these are somewhat of an upgrade from the standard halogen headlights, but you can still tell it's got more of a yellowish glow than the bright whiteness of the LED lights. Alright guys, now we've slid over to our accessory wall so I can show you some more options for exterior and interior lighting of your golf cart. We have LED light bars ranging from 4 inches up to 30 inches, and you can get them in green or white light. We have dome lighting for the interior of your golf cart to shed some light inside. We also have underglow lighting in multiple colors. And then when it comes to light kits, we have a large variety of light kits, LED or halogen, for whatever cart you need to fit it on. And the best thing to do is just call us and we can outfit it for you right here at Rebel 42. You can reach me by text at 919-662-4200 or find us on the web at www.rebel42.com.